Madam Second Deputy Speaker, for granting me the floor. First and foremost, congratulations, Madam, as this is my first time. I rise on a matter of public importance in line with Standing Order 14. This is a matter of concern. It's about the brutal murder of a young female doctor in Blantyre. Madam Second Deputy Speaker, this is an issue of national importance because I think there are general concerns on national security. Some would think maybe it's just urban areas, but it goes beyond urban areas. So, from the Minister of Home Affairs, I would like to seek assurance, one, assurance on national security. Two, through you, Madam Second Deputy Speaker, would want to know the immediate measures taken to apprehend the suspects. Thirdly, Madam Second Deputy Speaker, she was a doctor, a female doctor for that matter. When it comes to this section, usually these are essential workers. Most of them, they work overnight, and the fear, as much as it's a national fear, but we're also looking at the section of these essential workers, doctors, nurses, clinicians, who work late hours most of the times to save our lives, to save us. So from the Minister, I wanted to know if there's a plan to sort of patrol hotspots, to sort of ease these fears. As I stand, I know for a fact the State President, Professor APHEDWA, does not want any of his sons and daughters to die by the hand of man. This is why we have a capable minister and a deputy who are competent enough in this field, but also their background gives us assurance. So, lastly, my condolences to the family of the late doctor. Thank you, Madam Second Deputy Speaker.
Thank you so much. I will give the floor to the Honorable Minister responsible for Homeland Security to respond or to inform the House. Honorable Minister, you have the floor.
Madam Second Deputy Speaker, honorable members, I rise to respond to the motion raised concerning the tragic murder of Miss Victoria Bobe in Chigumula, a matter that has understandably elicited concerns across the nation. First and foremost, I wish to express my deepest condolences to the family of the deceased. This heinous act of violence underscores the urgent need for coordinated efforts in combating crime and enhancing security across the communities. Second Deputy Speaker, Madam, the incident is being investigated by our police. I commend the police for their swift response at the scene and their ongoing efforts to identify and apprehend those responsible. The police is currently conducting forensic examinations, including ballistic analysis, and pursuing leads that will lead to the perpetrators. In addition, our security agencies are reviewing existing measures, especially around residential security and community policing, to prevent future occurrences of such crimes, including those workers that are exposed to the night shifts, as indicated by honorable member. We are also exploring ways to improve surveillance